Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share an Ollie's haul with you all, the Bibles I found at Ollie's. If you have an Ollie's near you, you can check it out and see what kind of Bibles you can find. I know not every Ollie's has the same Bibles. I've seen like different YouTube channels with different hauls, and it seems like they're always different Bibles. So check out an Ollie's near you to see what kind of deals you can get. I got this Jesus Everywhere Bible, which I will probably be doing a giveaway with this Bible soon, where you can, it's just a typical paper Bible, but it is just kind of, I do like the font a lot. It is very easy to read, and it is the NIV version. And then I got this Alabaster Bible in a Year 52-week Bible study for women. You might have seen this before. So it just has different topics, and then it has a reading plan. So you have your synopsis, a reading plan, and then you have some reflection questions. And so new beginnings again. Looks like it has you like in Romans, Genesis, Joshua, Psalms, Job, Isaiah, and Matthew. I don't think this one goes all the way through like the Bible in a year. I think it's more like topical. So we'll have to see about that. I know a lot of people use this for like verse mapping, although these are full chapters, so that would be a little difficult. But that is this one, A Year in the Bible. This Cultural Background Study Bible, I've seen this one quite a lot on YouTube. So Cultural Background Study Bible. This is the NIV version. A lot of NIV versions today. And so it has like topical articles like this. It has your notes, it has cross-reference in the middle. It's a double column. And so these will give you background to the background, like the different cultures and stuff throughout the Bible. So it's not a lot of theological context. It will be more just background, so you can understand the background, who this was written to, what was going on in those times. And so I'll do a full review on these Bibles in a later video. I also got this Action Bible. My kids really like this. We got this at Ollie's. And so this one's really cool. It's like comic based, so it's not like the whole Bible. We'll just tell Bible stories. But kids really are like this. Even teenagers really like this type of Bible. So it's a kid's Bible, but it is very interesting. Very cool. My kids love this one. So that's the Action Bible. And then this is quite popular. This She Reads Truth Bible. This is the hardback version of it. And so I know a lot of people have done reviews of these. This is very popular. I was excited to see this there. And then this is also another real popular Bible, the Thompson Chain Bible. This is the New American Standard 1977 text, so I know that one is also really popular. If you haven't seen this one is a double column. It has those chain topics on the sides, and so they're numbered, and it will tell you what book of the Bible, what reference to go to next. And then towards the back of the Bible, it has different analysis of the book, origins and growth of the English Bible. It has, here's those chains. So this isn't like a normal concordance. We'll try to get to the beginning. You have a general index. So this is the index of chain topics, as you can see. So they have numbers, and they tell you what verses you can look up that are part of that chain. And so you have the Old Testament, I think, and the New Testament. So you can like follow discontent through the Bible. So you can murmuring, dissatisfaction. And so you can follow that theme throughout the Bible, or like courage and fear. You can follow that theme through the Bible, or creator, dancing, deafness and hearing. So you can follow those different themes through the Bible. So that's really interesting. This would be really good for like a topical study. And then again, you have that analysis of the book, You have the historical bridge, Bible readings. So it includes a wide range of subject for general use in private devotions and public services. And then you have Bible harmonies and illustrated studies, which is cool. A lot of different types of study in here. You have the, I don't know if you can see that, the tree of Moses' life. Journeys of the children of Israel. So different journeys. Jesus in the year of opposition. The life of Peter. Paul's second missionary journey. And then aids in memorization. Bible marking, like how to mark your Bible. That's cool. Herod's temple. A chronological chart of archaeological and historical periods. So a lot of interesting stuff. And then you have the regular concordance at the back. So very interesting. So this is the Thompson Chain Bible. So these are the Bibles that I found at Ollie's. Let me know if you want to do a flip through any of them. And thank you for watching.